Cut him a deal. Get him out of here. Not you, the shirt.
Just got off work because I worked third shift last night, but I'm feeling good because I get to go to a yard sale. You know, it's been it seemed like the winter was long as heck. You know what I'm saying? I didn't really do a lot of yard selling. Did some estate sales, but not too much as far as yard selling. But hey, I'm yard selling. You know what I'm saying? Got about 3, 4 to go to maybe, depending on how I feel, how much I get at these first couple. So let's see what we get into, and hopefully we can pick up some gems. All right. Yeah. You want to see? Yeah. All right. How you doing?
Where's Joyce? Oh, she went over there to the car shop. Okay, thank you. The trick. See something that strikes your fancy, make me an offer.
All right, no problem. I understand that. Yeah. Thank you. Hello? Yeah, I heard,
got the coffee. Oh, yeah. That'll do the pretty good trick, Joyce.
yeah. How much on your Hard Rock Cafe t-shirts?
T-shirts are $2 a piece.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what about the sweatshirts?
Sweatshirt 3.
Okay.
Hi.
I ask you something.
Yeah.
I like the Hard Rock Cafe shirts. How much if I got them all for me?
Linda.
I don't know how many you got, but
Yeah. How much if he wants all the Hard Rock shirts? Cut him a deal. Get him out of here. Not you, the shirt.
that's what my wife would say. She'll probably be like, yeah, get him out of here.
Now, just t-shirts or the whole shebang?
This is t-shirts and probably the sweatshirts as well. The Planet Hollywood and the Hard Rock Cafe.
Okay. Well, normally I was charging $2 for the t-shirt and $3 for the sweats.
All right, well, let's see how much you got. How many you got? Here, you got 1, 2, 3,
And
4.
make sure that, I think they're all Hard Rock, but I wouldn't bet on it.
Okay.
I forgot about this coat. Give me 2 more. That would come to,
2 more?
Yeah.
2 more t-shirts?
2 more t-shirts, and that the thing is 50.
Okay.
So I'll do 35.
Okay. And then these, let's see, 1.
And I didn't add these in.
Okay.
And so how many more t-shirts you got?
Okay. 3, 4. Oh, these are the same over here.
Yeah, some of those might be other things because they're
Oh,
they're
okay.
pretty small women.
Oh, okay, they are.
Trying to be weird because I'm watching my purse over there.
Oh, yeah, definitely watch that.
I mean,
I take your time. You can take your time.
You never know.
I'm in no rush, yeah.
I mean, I hate that you can't.
No, I mean, you got to be like that. You're not thinking smart.
You can't have the hangers.
Oh, okay, no, you can keep the hangers. You can keep the hangers. I haven't.
60.
1, 2,
so
3,
far.
4, 5, 6. 6 more right here.
Okay. Let's just do 70 for everything.
70 for all of them. And how many was it in all? You know? No, you don't have to count them. You don't have to count them.
Well,
no.
you can count them as you take them off
You
the
said 60
hanger.
for all of them? Never say 60.
You can count them as you take them off the hanger.
That's fair. You said 60?
Yeah.
I can do that. And I'll take them out the hanger for you.
Right.
And go over and get your purse. Yeah. Listen, I made a mistake. I'm editing this video. I'm actually at work. Shout out to me for being at work and editing this video. I'm on a semi-break, I guess you can say. I'm editing this video, right? And I'm going back and I didn't even know this conversation went like this, all right? She said 70. And for some reason I'm saying 60. But she agreed to the 60. I hope I don't come off intimidating. I don't know, man. I got her for $10. I didn't want to do that. You know, I was proud to give her the 70, you know, because it was a good deal on these shirts. I went to like 5-6 yard sales. I don't know which one this is. This is like, what, 3 days later? And I thought about going back and just giving her the $10. It would have made a great video doing that. And then I thought about, what do I look like going up to somebody's house? And I'm like, hey, I was at your yard sale. I'm sure they had hundreds of people go to their yard sales that day. She's gonna look at me and be like, who are you? And why are you here? And I'm about to call the police. So I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna pay it for it. I actually paid it for it. I left a couple pieces on that rack because I bought the whole rack except a couple pieces because I told y'all before, you know what I'm saying? I like to leave a little bit behind, you know what I'm saying? Bless the other people, and that way it'll come back on me. What do y'all think? I promise. I just wanted to let y'all know that I was not trying to get over on this lady. I wanted to give her the whole thing, but for some reason I was saying 60 and I said 60 and she agreed to 60, so I thought it was 60. Let's get back into it. Let's see what else they got over here. So I gotta know the story about it. You go to Hard Rock Cafe every time you go to different city?
Do I what? Oh,
The
no,
Hard Rock
that
shirt?
was my sister-in-law.
Oh, okay.
She was really big into it. She made a lot of money.
Really?
She traded with people all over the world.
Oh,
That's
okay.
where she got a lot of that stuff.
Okay, I got you.
And yeah, she was a collector of Barbies and
So a little bit of everything.
Yeah, but man, she made some when it was hot.
Yeah.
She made some serious money.
I bet. I know a lot of people like the different cities and stuff like that.
Yeah, yeah.
Is this the right 3 for the box? There you go. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
All right, I'm gonna get out of here. You take it easy.
Get your shirt?
Yeah, I got him. I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you for the deal. All right, listen. I'm wave my camera off. I just left a yard sale. A yard sale that wasn't on Craigslist. That's always the best ones to hit. If you can find ones of the yard sales that's not on Craigslist, go to those because those is where you're gonna hit. I just happened to be driving, right? And I seen one out of the corner of my eye, boom, and I count the numbers, and it was right up the street from where I was going. Long story short, I got there and they had a bunch of vintage Hard Rock Cafe and Planet Hollywood Disney type shirts. maybe 15 crew neck sweatshirts, a bunch of t-shirts. Long story short, I end up getting all of them for $60, and it's like 40 of them. And I'm gonna do good on those because those sales pretty good. And they had some other stuff I ended up picking up. I mean, I know y'all see a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff I passed up because I just pass it up. I know for the goals for, and I got so much stuff, I just leave it there. I just try to get stuff, gems right now. I'm in my gem mode, you feel me? G-E-M, gem. Then I got these silverware right here. These silverware. I got this silverware right here. Is that how you say it? Bruh. I got the silverware right here. It's called Cruising Art. I'm not a big silverware guy, so I don't know. So those of y'all watching, don't shoot me in the back, or the foot, or the head. That'd kill me in the head. The back and the foot, I might, you know, I might be paralyzed, or I might can't walk, but at least I'll be alive. Cruising Art 1810 silverware. The whole box was $3. I ended up looking at one and I seen like one fork go for like $10. I was like, I'm getting it. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know. Tell me if I got something here. I don't know. I gotta do a little bit more research. Whatever. Got a lot of shirts. I just wanted to go over the shirts with you real quick. My whole thing right now is I do stuff on Whatnot. Shout out to me for doing stuff on Whatnot. Follow me over there. I'll put a link in the description. I do a lot of auctions on different stuff, all the stuff you see around here. Actually, I'm moving out this office, all right, and I'm gonna do a whole video on that, so I'm not gonna get into it right now. And so I'm liquidating a lot of stuff. So if you're a reseller and you're watching this, hit the link in the description and follow your boy. And yeah, you know, you might be able to get some stuff. Well, you will get stuff for it still over on Whatnot. Anyway, my whole thing right now is I don't know if I'm gonna put these shirts on Whatnot on eBay, because they sell very good on eBay. On Whatnot, I'm gonna get a lot less, but I'm still gonna be in profit. I paid $60 for all the shirts. I think I got 40 something, so I'm $1 something into them a piece. Even if I get $10, I'm doing great, right? But if I wait, I can get, you know, 25, 30, 40, 50, $60 for some of them crew necks in there. So no, I can come with that. Okay, no. Let's go. I'll get it. Anytime. No problem. $45 t-shirts to pay $60 for, so you do the math. $1 and a little change, a little bitty change, you know what I'm saying? So that's a great move. I don't know, I might start with eBay on this, and then a little later on do a Whatnot auction. Maybe just have a Hard Rock Planet Hollywood type show. It'd be fun, you know what I'm saying? Along with some other stuff maybe. Yeah, see now the silverware I got, I didn't bring it in, I left it in the car. I posted right here a little video of what I got, because I'm taking home and clean it. And in my office, I don't have a sink and stuff like that. So I'll probably just do a lot on that, get some quick money and be done with it. I only paid $3 for them, and I might be able to get, I don't know, I'm not even gonna lie to you, you know what I'm saying? But all that being said, y'all like, comment, subscribe. Y'all be good. Follow your boy on Whatnot. Link is in the description. Follow all the platforms, Instagram, everything, like everybody says. Y'all be good.